Dear students, in the last session I had explained the function of each block diagram of 8051 microcontroller. But in this session I will explain the features of 8051 family and comparison of the 8051 family members. The 8051 microcontroller is designed by Intel company in 1981, which belongs to MCS family, MCS 51 family. The features of the 8051 MCS family are: first one, 8-bit CPU with Boolean processing capabilities. That means the CPU can work on only 8-bit of data at a time. That means the 8051 microcontroller is a 8-bit microcontroller that means which can read, write and process the 8-bit data. That means ALU performs arithmetic and logic operations on a byte, that means 8 bits at an instructions. Next, this microcontroller, that means 8051 microcontroller device have 4 kilobytes on-chip program memory. That means 4 kilobytes of on-chip read-only memory. And also the 8051 have the 128 bytes on-chip data memory. That means random access memory. Next, it can address 64 kilobyte of program, and it can also address the 64 kilobyte of data memory. That means the 8051 have 16-bit register for addressing the program memory. So 2 to the power of 16 equals 64 kilobytes of memory. Next, 32 bidirectional I/O lines. These 32 bidirectional I/O lines can be either used as 4 8-bit ports or 32 individual addressable I/O lines. Next, full-featured serial port. This is for communication protocol. That means full duplex asynchronous receiver and timer. Next, two 16-bit timers, even counter. That means timers to generate a time delay, event counters to count events happening outside the microcontroller, two external interrupt, clock up to 12 megahertz frequency. That means an on-chip clock oscillator is integrated in the microcontroller having crystal frequency of 12 megahertz frequency. So this is the hardware architecture of microcontroller 8051. The 8051 microcontroller is designed by Intel in 1981. It is an 8-bit microcontroller. It is built with 40 pins DIP, that means dual inline package, 4 kilobytes of ROM storage and 128 bytes of RAM and two 16-bit of timers, and also it consists of 4 8-bit ports which are programmable as well as addressable as per the requirement. An on-chip crystal oscillator. It is generally integrated in the microcontroller having crystal frequency to 12 megahertz. In the diagram, the system bus connects all the support devices to the CPU, and also CPU is also there. Interrupt control. The system bus connects all the support of the device to the CPU. The system bus consists of an 8-bit data bus and a 16-bit address bus and bus control signals. All other devices like memory, program memory, ports, data memory, serial interface, interrupt control, timers and CPU all are interfaced together through the system bus. Next, the following tables gives the comparison of 8051 family members. These are the features of 8051, 8052 and 8031 microcontrollers. 8031 is alternative versions of 8051, but they do not have onboard read-only memory. It has 0 kilobyte. So they use external ROM for program memory. So 8051 has 4 kilobyte of ROM, 8052 has 8 kilobyte and 8031 there is no, but they don't have onboard ROM. Next, the 8051 microcontroller has 128. It has 128 bytes of onboard RAM. That means random access memory. But the 8052 has 256 bytes of onboard random access memory. But in the 8031, it has 128 bytes of random access memory. And next, timers. The 8051 has two 16-bit time event counter, but the 8052 has an extra 16-bit timer event counter. The 8031 has two 8-bit timer and event counter. And next is the I/O pins. It has 32 pins. 8051 has 32 pins. The same 8052 has 32 pins. 8031 also has 32 pins, I/O ports. Next, serial port 1, 1, 1. That means communication portal. Serial port has 1, 1, 1. And next, interrupt sources. It has 6. 8051 has 6. So it has 8. 8052 has 8. The 8031 has 6. But what is the difference between the 8051 and 8052? That means comparison with the 8052. The 8051 has 4 kilobytes onboard RAM. The 8052 has 8 kilobytes onboard read-only memory. And next, the 8051 has 128 bytes of RAM, but in 8052, 256 bytes of RAM. What about the timers? The timers has a dual, two 16-bit time and event counter, but in 8052, 3 16-bit timer and event counter. That means it has an extra 16-bit timer event counter. And next, interrupt sources 6, but in 8052, 8. What about the cost? Cost of 8051 is less. The cost of 8052 is more. Because of the 8051 family has the largest number of diversified suppliers, that means widely available.